Hey everyone, welcome to Glow Up Academy, and today we're going to talk about an important topic, the secret to always smelling great. That's right, your scent can have a big impact and leave a strong impression on the people around you. So today, as a guy, I've gathered some key tips for you on always smelling fantastic. 1. Take a shower. What's the best way to kickstart your day? Taking a shower, of course. So, why is it important to shower in the mornings? Overnight, our bodies produce sweat and different oils, leading to the accumulation of bacteria and dirt on our skin's surface. That's why taking a shower as soon as you wake up not only refreshes your skin but also invigorates you mentally, getting you ready for the day ahead. 2. Body. Keeping your body clean prevents the formation of unpleasant smells and provides freshness. Use a body wash or soap to gently cleanse your entire body. Pay attention to areas where sweat glands are concentrated and clean them meticulously. Organic body washes offer a natural way to cleanse and moisturize your skin without containing harmful chemicals. 3. Hair. Your hair can also be a source of unpleasant smells. Wash your hair regularly, every 2 to 3 days to keep it clean. Clean and well-maintained hair is a crucial factor in determining your overall appearance. Using natural hair shampoos helps cleanse and moisturize your hair, promoting hair health. Additionally, regularly applying hair masks and oils keeps your hair shiny and vibrant. 4. Teeth. Healthy and clean teeth are the key to an attractive smile. Brush your teeth every morning and evening to prevent the formation of bad odors. Tongue cleaning is also an important part of dental hygiene. Bacteria and residues accumulated on your tongue can cause bad breath. Therefore, using a tongue scraper regularly is essential for tongue hygiene. Complete your oral hygiene by using dental floss and mouthwash. 5. Grooming. Another way to prevent smell formation on your body is through regular hair removal. Remove unwanted hair to prevent the accumulation of sweat and unpleasant odors. Especially in areas like the armpits and genital area, regularly clean the hair. 6. Cologne. Finally, choosing a quality men's fragrance. A good men's fragrance can become your signature scent and make you memorable. When choosing a fragrance, it's important to select a scent that complements your natural body smell and reflects your unique style. Additionally, a quality men's fragrance lasts long and adds freshness and attractiveness. However, it's important not to overdo it and to avoid masking your natural scent. Applying perfume to your wrists, neck, and chest is the most effective method. So there you have it, folks, the secrets to smelling great. By following these simple steps, you can always be attractive and confident. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. May pleasant scents be with you.